Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to apply filters to just a part of an object or layer. Currently, there are two easy ways to do this in TwistedBrush Pro Studio, by applying a mask or by using a filter brush. Here we have an image of a butterfly and flowers. We will apply a filter only to the butterfly and keep the rest of the image unchanged, by using a mask. Select the Polygon Mask tool and draw a mask around the butterfly. When ready, click the Done button. Select the Invert Mask option from the Mask menu. Now all changes that we make will be applied only to the unmasked area, in our case, the butterfly. Select a filter from the Filters menu. We will apply the Color Pencil filter from the Artistic Filters collection. Set the values here and click Apply. If you want, you can add more filters, as long as the mask settings are not changed. When ready, select the Clear Mask option from the Mask menu to remove the mask. Here is the result. Now, we will do the same thing, but we will use an image filter brush instead of a mask. The same image with the butterfly is open. Select the Brush tool. Click on any brush slot in the Brush Shortcut panel to open the Select Brush dialog. Find and select the Art Pro Image Filters Art Set. Select the Pro Masked Image Filter Brush. You can use a different filter brush if you prefer. Select a brush shape. In this case we will select Round, Hard Edge. Select a filter from the second button. We will choose the Color Pencil filter again. With this brush, up to 5 filters can be applied at the same time. Set the contrast, saturation, and mode. When you are ready, click on the Set Brush Image Filter button. Click and drag on the canvas. Since this is a masked image brush, you will see a mask on the place of the brush stroke. When you release the mouse button, the mask will be replaced by the selected filter effect.